The Islamic Curriculum Development Council ICDC successfully conducted a capacity building workshop for Arabic language teachers from Integrated Islamic Schools within the Nairobi region.
Today what we are doing is a capacity building for the Arabic teachers. We know that when we come to teaching, language has its own way of teaching, and therefore this program was meant to build the capacity of the Arabic teachers so that they be able to teach language, Arabic as a language.
The workshop held in Nairobi aimed to enhance the professional skills of educators and deepen the understanding of the ICDC curriculum.
Kubwa ambayo sisi tunafanya ni mambo matatu. Kwanza ni hiyo curriculum ambayo inatumika ya Integrated Schools hasa madrasa, upande wa madrasa. Kisha pia tuna set exams na tuna supervise exams mpaka kufikia final exams huwa tunafanya ya madrasa.
The training brought together Arabic teachers from various schools who were taken through a series of practical and theoretical sessions.
Na mengine ambayo tunafanya ni kama hii mnayoona sasa, workshop ambayo lengo na madhumuni ni kukuza maarifa ya walimu katika kusomesha kwao. Kwa mfano hii last year mwezi wa August tulikuwa na mambo ya curriculum, lakini safari ni lugha al-arabia. Lugha al-arabia ni lugha ya Kiarabu, namna ya kuweza kuhakikisha mazingira ya shule iko na Kiarabu, watoto wanazungumza Kiarabu.
This included an in-depth exploration of the ICDC curriculum framework, modern language teaching methodologies, and strategies to cultivate a vibrant Arabic-speaking culture within school environments.
Integrated schools have been there in the country for long, and all of them used to depend curriculums and textbooks that have been prepared outside the country, like Egypt, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, you know. And you know very well that as Muslims we understand as educators, you know that when you are teaching students who are in Kenya and you are teaching them a curriculum or a syllabus that was prepared in Sudan, you are contradicting a lot.
According to SHEIKH HASSAN SUGOW, the ICDC chairman, the initiative is part of the council's broader mission to support quality Islamic education in Kenya by empowering teachers with the tools and knowledge necessary for effective instruction.
And we are affiliated group to Muslim Education Council. We are working together, the same with NACONEC. Unaona sasa sisi lakini tumebase katika Integrated Schools na it is working very well with us. Naendelea vizuri na tunafanya kazi pamoja. The same thing.
The council has indicated that similar workshops will be rolled out in other regions across the country as part of the continuous professional development program for educators in Integrated Islamic Schools.
It was not easy, but alhamdulillah, with the help of God and the support from the Integrated Schools, we have managed to at least have a curriculum, textbooks, and at the same time also do a unified exam. And now we are inventing in capacity building sessions for the teachers. So it is not an easy job, but alhamdulillah so far we have done a lot, and we are planning to make sure that inshallah we do also the same in other regions. Today we are now doing it the second time in Nairobi region. We are planning also to do the same in Mombasa region and also in the northern region, so that at least we can reach to many schools.
The challenges are the support maybe you need, because to supervise a curriculum is not easy. Unahitaji support nyingi sana kwa kila upande, lakini hakuna challenges kubwa namna hiyo. Just we want to have more time ili tuweze kuwasaidia walimu na kuhakikisha kwamba haya masomo yanaendelea, kwa sababu integrated system integrated is something which have been allowed by our country.
The Islamic Curriculum Development Council ICDC develops and implements curricula for madrasas emphasizing Islamic values, teachings and practices. Reporting for the Muslim Insight, my name is Maramsa.